As a wind instrument among the Luo, it is something that has been so instrumental in the heritage of Luo community of music and dance. The current known knowledge holder of flute is Sami Nyaondo.
My name is Samu Pere from Migori County, Kanyamkago village. I'm a musician and I play in the Kenge Kenge band.
Ane band milungo ni Kenge Kenge.
In the band, we play Luo traditional instruments and we use flute as our lead instrument.
As an organization, we are looking forward to document this, to share with others, and to embody this knowledge with young knowledge keepers.
We have played in the US, Europe and many other African countries. We have been playing in the state ceremonies, weddings and birthday parties.
As Manene Cultural Trust, we want to take this forward by interviewing the knowledge keepers so that they can help us decode the complex sets of ideas within the soundscape, different soundscape of the flute among the Luo community. On how are these soundscape being used in healing, in entertainment, in therapy, in communication. So this is the next step we are taking this to work with the indigenous communities. For support, partnership and enquiries, drop us a mail, give us a call, check our Facebook for daily updates, check our YouTube channel, for weekly cultural documentaries, and don't forget to subscribe and comment.